How to clear cache in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. So let's begin. Before we proceed, what is the meaning of cache? So cache is basically a hardware or software component that stores data so that feature requests for that data can be served faster. So what this basically mean is that whenever, let's say for example, you search for a thing on Google and then you research it in the near future, the cache will help you in um, having or searching it faster compared before. So if you are using the um, iOS or iPhone, what I would suggest is you go to settings and then go to general and go to iPhone storage. So click on iPhone storage and scroll down and look for Google Chrome. You may also search it right here on the upper right corner or the magnifying glass button. Then, once you see Chrome, simply click on it. So this one, and then click on Offload App right here. So click on Offload App and then click on Offload App once again. So what this basically do is that it will just unload the app. It will delete the components of the app, the cache, and etc. But not delete the app entirely. So click on Offload App and then you may either re-download the app right here, or you may also go back to your home screen and click the app once again to re-download it. So if you're using the Android device, you just simply go to settings, go to application, look for Google Chrome, and then there is an option in which you can clear the cache of the app. So you just click on clear cache and then that's it. That's how you can clear cache in Google Chrome. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.